Okay, here we go. Graphing quadratic, standard, and vertex form. I'm going to use vertex form is really cool because, like, let's look over here. If this is our equation, that -4, that's going to be the y part of our vertex. And I know this says -2, but the x part is always going to be the opposite of what we see. We see x minus 2, the opposite of -2 is +2. And sometimes I like to say, hey, when you're by your x, you act the opposite of how you feel. Okay, think about that, see if that helps you. So when we go back to this, we're looking at this and we're like, uh-oh, wait a minute, we don't have a number here. If we don't have a number, we're going to put +0. So our vertex is going to be the opposite of +5, so -5, comma, and we're going to bring the 0 down. So that's weird. This is the first time we're actually finding the vertex first. So we'll go -5, 0. And then we know the axis of symmetry is always whatever our x is. So x equals -5. That's my axis of symmetry. I'll go ahead and put that through here. I think it's really important to draw your axis of symmetry because that helps you to know if you're doing it right or not. The y-intercept, once again, I'm going to get the rest. I'm going to get this and all of this from doing the table function in our calculator. So go ahead and pause, do the table function. I'm going to fill this in. When you come back, you can go ahead and check. Okay, using the table function, I got 50. I got my solutions -5, 0, which makes sense. It's my x-intercept. And then fill these in. Okay. And then let's go ahead and once again, I'm just going to go ahead and do a few of them. I'll do the -6, 2, -4, 2. Once again, you're going to need to do more. I'm just doing that because I'm trying to make the video shorter. All right, we don't have a max, but we do have a min, and it's right here at 0. Okay, so that's my min right there at 0. And then once again, we're going to do increasing and decreasing. And when we do increasing and decreasing, we put the -infinity. We put our axis of symmetry, which is -5. And then on the other side, it's the axis of symmetry and then +infinity. If we move from the left to the right, we're going down. So that means this one is the decreasing one. We're going to put that decreasing and the other one in the increasing. Okay, let's keep going. This one we're doing the same exact thing. In fact, I think that let's go ahead and challenge yourself. I'm going to do it pretty quickly, but challenge yourself and pause this video and see if you can do it super quick. All right. All right, if you're back, I'm just filling things in so you can check yourself as you go. You're not pausing the video and you're just copying this, you are not going to be learning. So the whole point of this is either you're getting ready for the test or you're getting ready for the retake, right? So you want to go ahead and make sure that you're doing this first and then coming back and checking yourself. Okay, and so lastly, let's go ahead and graph. Your graph should look like 3, 2. You got your axis of symmetry here. You've got one here, one here. Once again, I'm doing it fast. All right, we're almost done. We're flying.